Hey folks, I've discreetly hidden a cat in this video. If you can see it, please let me know in the comments. Okay, we're going to learn how to align parts without the align tool. So look at the tail of this fox. Let's zoom in. I'll do Option click F to zoom in. This tail has got like, this is a sort of like a block shape, this yellow thing, and it's got this pyramid over here. You've never seen these pyramid parts. What they are is, if I click on one of them, oops, Command 2, it's a corner wedge. Stop it. Command Z that. It's a special part. So I always say never add new parts, just duplicate. In this case, you cannot turn a regular part into, there's a new part. We're just going to duplicate that tail. Watch. So we'll move it over here. Come on. Uh-oh. Moving command. Turn it back on. Okay, so we'll move it over here and we'll make it, like, we'll just use this size thing over here. We'll make it, Command A, 16, 16, 16, just to make it big. F, so we can zoom out and see it. I think it's on top of the fox. Come on. Something's slowing my computer down. Okay, so we've got collisions on. Maybe that's the problem. So now we want to align another part with this. We want to make that tail, the tip of the tail. So we'll say part. We will do the magical corner wedge, and it just kind of put it somewhere close. So it's not aligned. So we will go make this a different color. Make this one a different color so they stand out. I'm big into pink and purples. Something's slowing my computer down. Alright, so this one needs to be a little darker. Must be Camtasia. Alright, that's a little bit darker. Still reflects the light. You know what we'll do? We'll command click on them. Turn them both into concrete. I like concrete. It reflects the light a little bit better than plastic. Concrete. Okay, so I'm just kind of making this up as I go along right now. So we will click on this part. And we'll F to zoom in. And you can see it's not aligned at all. But since we're clever, let's give this one, we'll do it 4x4x4. 4, 4, 4. F to zoom out. And now, yeah, we want to line it up right with the corner there. So how do we do that? One kind of clever way of doing it is to, let's see, F to zoom out. Oops, I zoomed in. We have collisions on. So if we just take this part, sort of just like ram it into our other part. Whoops. Yeah, Camtasia is giving me some delay here. Now at least we know it's lined up with that part. And so our move increment is 1. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. The position of this one is just a mess. So let's just change the position. We'll just say it's at round numbers. 10, 12, and we'll call it 8. So now this one's in good shape. And then this one is completely not aligned to it. So we'll take off our move increment and we will just kind of move it over here, and then we'll just crash it back into here until it stops. Boom. And so the position is still a little bit weird, but we got 14, that's right, nice round number. So we know it's aligned in that direction. Oop, Command Z that. So now we're going to put our move increment on. It's going to be a long video, sorry. And we are going to align it. We'll just move over a certain known amount of studs, and we will smash it down till it hits. And take off the move increment there. So now we know it's aligned in that direction. And then if we go back this way, since we've got the move increment on, we will go a known amount of spaces down. And if we go over this way and slide it in, we can see that we're at 0, 16, 14. The direction that we're not lined up in is this direction. Come on. And so we'll just go. So you can see up here on this little cube, Z direction is the left-right direction here. And so when I slammed it in there, Z became, oops, no, go away. Dang you. Camtasia's done. Yes, so if we slam it in that way, we can see now we're at like 9, 16, 18. And we can even just go in here and just say 9, 16, 18, just to make it perfect. And now if since we aligned it in those 3 directions, if I try to put it in the corner now, it will be lined up with the corner. Hope that makes some sense. Oh, look at that, it's not. There, perfectly aligned with the corner. Now, well, almost perfectly. So we'll call this 22. All right, so now it's at 4, 22, 14. So now it's kind of like not tall enough, so we can make it taller. And I want it to be wider in this direction, take up like half of this block. So the size, we'll make it 8. You can see the size is 8, because remember the block is 16, 16, 16. And now we'll do the same over here. So, yep, so the size is now 8, 16, 8. And to make the other ones, all right, let's do this. We'll dupe this. Yep. Turn off collisions. We'll dupe this. Move it over here. Spin it around. Command 4. Until it's, like that. Command 2. Move it in. Command click, so we've got them both. Command D, Command 2, Command 4, turn it 180 degrees, Command 2, and we shall slide it back. Now let's see if that works. Yeah, I think that did it. So I don't know if that really taught you anything, but I'm just going to publish this, probably make a new version of this that makes that's easier to understand. So let me take all these parts, whoops, shift click all these parts, let's move them just to make sure I got the right ones. Yeah, Command Z that, and we'll just go over to here. Maybe I'll call this how to make a foxtail, but it could be more succinct. There we go. All right, so let's zoom in. We'll take our picture. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe. If I get 1,000 subs, I can monetize my channel. Bye bye.